What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from?
I'm from Los Angeles, California.
How old are you?
I'm 30 years old.
What do you do for work study?
I work as a graphic designer at a marketing agency.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Whiskers.
What's your favorite movie?
I love The Shawshank Redemption.
What's your favorite color? Hmm.
Blue has always been my favorite color.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I enjoy traveling to new places.
What's your favorite season?
I love autumn for its cool weather and beautiful colors.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax at home or go hiking with friends.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister.
Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I'm more of a night owl.
Do you like sports? Which ones?
I enjoy playing tennis and watching basketball.
What's your dream job?
Being a travel journalist would be amazing.
What's your favorite music genre?
I enjoy listening to indie and alternative rock.
Do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird.
What's your favorite dessert?
I can never say no to chocolate cake.
Do you like to cook? What's your specialty?
Yes, I love cooking Italian dishes, especially lasagna.
Are you more of an introvert or an extrovert?
I'm more of an introvert.
Do you believe in aliens?
It's an intriguing possibility.
What's your favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite because of the festive spirit.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Do you like to exercise? What's your favorite way to stay active?
I enjoy jogging in the park.
What's your biggest fear?
Heights terrify me.
Do you have a favorite TV show?
Friends is a classic favorite.
What's the best concert you've been to?
Coldplay put on an incredible show.
Are you good at remembering names?
Fairly good, especially with faces.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer winter for the cozy atmosphere.
What's your favorite place you visited?
Venice, Italy left a lasting impression.
Do you have any hidden talents?
I'm quite good at drawing.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Don't Stop Believin' by Journey.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, especially salsa dancing.
What's the last movie you watched?
I recently watched Black Widow.
Do you believe in luck?
I think luck can play a role in life.
What's your favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Scrabble.
Are you good at math?
Yes, I'm decent at math.
Do you collect anything?
I collect vintage postcards.
What's the best advice you've ever received?
Always be kind and patient.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I love spicy dishes.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
Instagram is my favorite for staying connected.
Do you believe in ghosts?
It's a fascinating concept.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Mint chocolate chip is delicious.
Do you have a favorite quote?
The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. Franklin D. Roosevelt.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I love rainy weather, especially with thunderstorms.
Or are you a fan of social media?
Yes, I enjoy using social media to stay in touch.
Do you prefer texting or talking on the phone?
I prefer texting for casual conversations.
What's your morning routine like?
I start with a cup of coffee and some light reading.
Do you like surprises?
Yes, I enjoy pleasant surprises.
What's the last book you read?
I recently finished Educated by Tara Westover.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to pollen.
What's your favorite type of art?
I appreciate Impressionist paintings.
Do you believe in fate?
It's an intriguing concept to ponder.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Playing hide and seek with my friends.
Are you good at remembering birthdays?
Yes, I try to remember important dates.
What's your favorite type of candy?
I love Reese's peanut butter cups.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, especially for books and home decor.
What's your favorite place to eat out?
There's a cozy Italian restaurant downtown that I love.
Do you like roller coasters?
Yes, I enjoy the thrill of roller coasters.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
Decorating the Christmas tree with family.